Liam is helping us to cook dinner. So we've already got some onions and tomatoes in the pot.
Yeah, this is the pot.
Yeah.
But it's hot.
Yes, it is hot. So what's the safety for being hot? For working with hot things?
Stand back.
Absolutely. Stand back. And what else?
Let your mom and dad, help you.
Absolutely. Especially working with hot things, working with gas, like we are cooking on gas.
Yeah, this thing uses gas.
And mommy is cutting up the meat. So?
It's called round fry teeth.
Yeah, it's lamb meat. Mommy is cutting it with the knife is sharp. You have to mix there.
Oh!
Safety. Where's your safety?
Oh, here.
There's your safety. Okay, hold the pot
So
nicely.
this thing is the grabber.
That is just a pot handle that you can use.
What the handle's going on this pot?
Yeah, mommy dropped the pot on the handle broke off. So we're going to replace it. Will you bring it off the heat? Careful. There. There we go.
Okay.
So
this is the spoon to cook. And this
yeah.
is the grabber. And look at this. So this is where you make heel saucies.
Heel sauces is in Afrikaans for yellow sauce.
Yeah, yellow sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, ketchup or mustard. Mustard on yellow.
Yeah, mustard
Ketchup
is yellow.
is red.
That's it. That's
Yeah.
right.
Chili sauce.
Huh?
Chili sauce is dangerous. It's really, you got chilies and then it burns.
Yeah, it
And
does.
you can burn fire.
You can, but it won't. You actually can't burn fire with chili sauce. It just feels like it's fire because it is super hot.
Yeah, and this is my apron.
What is your apron?
The shirt.
A shirt.
My dad's shirt.
Just to protect your clothing.
So it cannot get dirty.
Yeah.
This thing can get dirty. Then we should wash it.
Yeah, we can wash it when it's dirty. How's
Now,
your tomatoes and onions looking?
I think the tomatoes are still red, but not going in green.
No, there's no green tomatoes in there. It's just looking slightly
Looks
yellow.
like, no, but the tomatoes are red.
Yeah.
Not green, but they
No.
must be green. They are red, like
Well,
the nice back.
yeah.
Surely.
Tomatoes can be green when they are still raw, when they aren't fully ripe yet. And some people like to eat green tomatoes.
Yeah, we eat red.
Yeah, we don't like green tomatoes.
I think this one must be washed.
I'll wash that now.
Oh. So
Just
the
finish
meat is
cutting all
almost
the meat.
finished. So it means almost finished.
Yeah, almost finished cutting the meat.
Ooh, one more.
One more.
Then it's finished.
Yep. Okay. So this is just the bone. So keep it away.
Is this a bone? I like this.
What are you doing?
You miss out.
It's fine. Whoever is the lucky one will get that extra piece of meat on there.
Okay guys, so there's extra meat on the side.
Extra meat on the side.
Yeah.
Stand back.
Oh. So now it's boiled.
Boiling some.
Boiled.
Ready to cook it nicely.
Put a little bit more water.
You gonna put the salt?
Oh, yeah. Give me a little. Okay, guys. This is the little spoon inside. How many scoops?
1 scoop, please.
Okay, like this.
Yeah. Put that one and a little bit.
A little bit.
There we go.
Oh.
Okay. Put the spoon back.
Let me-
Where's your safety to hold the pot before you put it down?
Oh! It becomes my safety in my hand. Oh, not like that. Oh, here. Oh, everything is turning to water.
Not everything's turning to water.
Oh, how many spoons of this?
1.
One.
And what is this? What is this?
Huh.
What is this?
Sauce.
It is turmeric or
Turmeric.
yeah. One in. Oh, put. There we go. We just dump it in there.
Oh, it went on the floor too.
It's fine. We'll take it off. Okay, and this one. Okay, for you burnt.
Yeah.
Badly, you see?
Yeah, badly.
Badly.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's just wiped it on it. Hey, can I?
One
This
second.
is chilies.
No, this is paprika.
Pepper. No scoop?
Paprika. No, just the one scoop. Otherwise, you're not going to eat. If it's more scoops, then you're not going to eat it.
Yeah, we could burn that.
Yeah. And this is not coffee. It's mutton spice. And I don't have a spoon for that one yet. So only that much.
That's
There
cool.
we go. Thank you.
Wow, this one is, well, it got this coffee song.
Because it's a coffee bottle that I recycled to use to put that in there.
Oh, and guys, you know, this is not a machine. Who uses gas? It looks like a machine, but it's got turners on.
Yeah, this is the gas hob. You want to hold this?
Wow, looks perfect.
It does?
Yeah.
You see? Yeah.
Looks like
Smells nice too.
Oh, oh, mess, I'm wiping it.
Okay, just wipe it then.
There.
Thank goodness it's an apron and not your own shirt.
Why are you wetting that?
I'm getting all your spices into the pot so they can cook.
Oh yeah, some spices also can get stuck by us.
So you just watch them cooking. I'm going to wash the lentils.
Okay, I'm checking. So I'm checking this, and this is really hot. Okay, how's that? Do you want to come in the video? Yeah, me too. Say, hi guys. Okay, my sister's in here in the video. So, what are you looking at? I'm looking at onions and tomatoes. If they burn, they'll get no noise, but now I'm checking. Yeah. Look, while he's trying to clean.
Okay, I have an idea. Let's guess what color the onions and tomatoes are. What colors are the onions?
Pink.
What colors are the tomatoes?
Red.
What colors are apples?
Red too.
What color is a potato?
Potatoes are brown.
What colors is a pumpkin?
Orange or green.
What color is coffee?
Brown.
What color is your favorite chocolate?
Brown.
What does the letter start with B? I mean, what?
Chocolate.
C is for chocolate. What word starts with the letter B?
Buzz. Bumblebee. B.
What is the color of the chocolate?
It's a brown.
And what does brown start with?
B.
Awesome.
I'm 5. Mommy's coming in.
Okay, let's see how the cooking is going here.
Oh.
Can you go slowly? A little bit faster.
Yeah, now it's going faster. Hey, you're still in the video if you want it.
Is
So this is the light of this.
What color is the light?
I think it's shining yellow and lighter, but it's getting dark.
Yes, it's getting dark.
Yeah, and this is the button. It goes like, and then you press it back in.
Is it?
Oh, and this is the fan.
Okay, yep, that's the fan.
And you press it like this.
Yeah. And
Can you hear it
noisy.
playing? Can I switch it off? Oh, because too many smoke
Yeah.
is coming.
Where's the smoke?
That's the smoke coming.
No, it's steam.
Steam. Yes, steam is coming out there. Trevor was going this. This thing like all the smoke goes outside.
But the steamer is too far away for the steam to go in the fan.
Oh.
So it won't work. Where's the other button?
It's this one.
There we go.
Oh, so this button, everything takes everything out.
Is it?
I cannot press that button, but this one goes tuk tuk back out.
Tuk tuk out.
And this
Okay.
one
that one has got, you press it once it goes on, and when you press it again it goes off.
Yeah.
The other buttons don't work like that.
Yeah, because they're stuck.
Yeah.
Because this one can help. Oh, yeah, because there's a light button up here. This is the light button. See, I told you there's a light button, but this is gray. That's yellow.
Yeah, that's right.
Pink.
And?
Meat.
One.
We're missing
Color.
one ingredient here, right?
Meat.
Yes.
You think it's ready for the meat?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's ready for the meat.
There's one more color.
What color?
is the meat?
I'm saying what's the color? Dark. Black. Black.
Yes,
right.
That's black. Wait, let's put it in the meat. Mom's gonna put it in the meat.
Where's the meat?
Wait. What comes after the black?
What color's after black?
Look up there. White.
It's-
Ah,
High
white,
five.
the wall. Okay.
Okay,
I'm
ready to
putting
put
the
the
meat.
meat? Mommy's putting the meat.
Dump it.
And the bone. For some flavor.
Oh, for some flavor.
And Daddy eats the marrow of the.
But this is not a bone with marrow, this is a normal bone.
I think me or Liam,
Where are you going?
you or
No.
Daddy will get the bone.
I cannot do that. Because
Why?
Because the meat is too soft.
Meat is soft. If the meat was soft, you would be able to do that.
Or some of them are hard. But I cannot do it because the bone is there.
Yep, because the bone is hard, so it's difficult to mix it.
Yeah, for me.
Yeah, for you.
Oh, look, spatting.
That's oil.
Yeah, oil.
Yeah.
It's spatting out here.
You forgot to clean it.
Oh.
We'll clean it off the dinner.
No, after I finish cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, now.
What do we need next? There's
What do I
one
do
more
now?
ingredient left.
That has to cook a little bit first.
I know. Is that was already in there?
We put the oil first so we can fry the onions.
Wait, one more.
What's the other ingredient?
Rice.
I'm cooking the rice over here.
Oh,
What is missing? Something that's.
that.
The lentils. Okay, just keep it there. Don't put it in yet.
Wow, the lentils have gone big.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they swell up with the water.
Check how big they are. Oh, let's take one out. Oh. There. These two are. Oh, look, there's a baby. We both want to.
What are you doing with the
inside?
lentils?
I'm putting them inside. Yeah.
I said to wait, you silly.
But try to check if it's hot.
How's it cooking? You think it needs
One
to
thing we still put in here, which is a secret ingredient.
No, it's a limestone.
known as ketchup
Ketchup.
or tomato sauce
A little bit. There you go.
to give it red color, reddish orange color. Then,
Can you mix
Liam,
it?
I want to tell you something.
Yes?
Whenever Mommy makes this food, she always puts the secret ingredient.
Tomato sauce.
She always puts it.
And also my rice.
Yeah.
He's a ketchup lover.
As that you like all
I'm
your.
trying to break this.
You can't break the bone.
Oh, it's too hard. Okay, done for mixing.
You're done for mixing.
Wait! One more ingredient.
Yes.
Should I put
yes.
now?
Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Mommy holds it and you pour it in.
Throw it in. With your
Careful.
fingers. Oh boy. Oh boy.
It goes everywhere. I'm stepping on one.
Okay, someone's stuck.
Let me do this.
But how are we going to clean up this mess?
We'll clean it up.
Put it in the pot.
Put it in the pot? Should we?
Yeah.
It comes from the floor. Do we eat things from the floor? No.
Sorry, I put some on the cover.
Put some water.
Let it rise
That
up.
looks tasty.
Oh,
Careful, careful.
it's so watery, guys. This one.
That's
Because
how you get
there's
sauce.
water in there.
Oh, the sauce.
Yes.
And then the lentils cook all nice and soft.
And then they get broken.
And they break up. And then it's a delicious stew.
Yummy. I always eat it plain.
Come.
No rice.
Now the soup.
If you want to, you can still add in some carrots.
Ah,
And
carrots.
we don't have at the
Broccoli.
moment. The shop ran out. You can put some broccoli. No, not really actually, because they'll go all
Carrots?
mushy and yucky. You can put some.
Carrots.
You can put carrots, but we don't have carrots.
Cabbage. I love cabbage.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the cabbage.
Really?
The cabbage
Yeah.
is not going to go in there. I'll make it separately later when Marijke is eating. So come here. Are you done
I'm
cooking?
eating.
Are you done cooking? Are you done helping me in the kitchen?
I think there's.
There's no.
We just have to wait for the water or for the for the water to boil. Because you keep on putting your head in the pot, which you shouldn't be doing.
Look, this is the clock from the steamer.
Yes, that is a clock from the steamer, which is
Yeah.
awesome because I can throw the rice in there and I do not have to worry at all about the rice burning.
Yes, which is terrible for mommy.
Yeah.
She has to scrub there.
I always
and
burn the rice in
scrub
the pot.
there. But now mommy's happy with no burn.
Steamers are awesome. Careful,
If you
careful,
have
careful.
one, then give us a like. If you don't have one, then buy it after the lockdown. It's very great.
Yeah, lockdown, you can't get any of these things.
Because it's not essential.
Okay, I think we're done. Okay, yeah, we're going to take this. Yeah, you threw the lentils all over here.
Sorry.
I'll show
I
you
think
again.
one wasn't big.
So now we just wait for it to boil and then we're going to put the lid.
Which is going to
So
take
don't throw my spoon away.
No.
I'm still using it.
No. Where's the lid?
The lid is here by me.
Okay. So.
But this still needs to boil first. Okay, so we wait for it to
Inshot
boil.
What's this
No.
one? This is where all the whistles come.
Yeah, this would
Like
make
the
it
train.
Yeah, just make sure it's tight, otherwise it doesn't whistle.
Why do you have to make this tight?
Because if it's not tight, then the air escapes and it doesn't build up pressure, so that it can't whistle.
So that's why sometimes it hasn't been whistling.
Yes.
Are we done?
Are you done?
You want to say goodbye to our friends?
No.
No?
I think we should wait.
Should wait? Why?
For this, then we should put it in our plates.
Okay, so you're gonna look for it or look at it while it's cooking for the next 20 minutes.
Which is.
And then we're gonna put the lid on.
Okay.
And it's gonna go whistling for another half an hour.
Okay, take this off.
Are you done?
Are you done?
Okay, but then you have to say goodbye first before you take this off. Wait. You have to say goodbye first.
Want to say goodbye?
1, 2, 3.
One.
Hey?
Just one.
Okay, just
Okay.
want to say goodbye then.
Say goodbye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Like, subscribe to our channel
And
In the back.
to be notified when our next videos are coming up.
Wait.
Absolutely.
And if we